This is the explanation. So carefully over here. Would you observe carefully? So this is three blanks, three pillars are given over here. This is the symbol of 3600. What? Which kind of questions in given in the NCRT in this year? This is the symbol of 3600, bacha. Any queries? 5 will be like that. 1. So first of all, 3605 are made up of 3600 plus 5. So this is the symbol. Solving this one, 205. You can solve it. 200 and 202. And solving this one, you can easily solve it. Then you are solving, completed this one, and you are solving this question of it. Okay, after that, Mayan number system. Wait, guys, come. You not forwarded DPP yesterday? Forwarded? Stand up. Define how many parts of the hormones are found in the plants.
Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, lactic acid.
Which are gives a growth of plant, the growth and development.
Gibberellin.
Gibberellin. Wilting of leaves.
Lactic acid.
Auxin.
Synthesized cell to grow longer involved photocopying.
Sugar. Which kind of hormone are releases insulin?
Pancreas.
Which kind of hormone are releases by estrogen? Estrogen hormone releases by which kind of hormone are found in above of kidneys? You smart. You know it.
Adrenaline.
Could you write a spelling? Mm-hmm. Pituitary glands are found in where?
Growth hormone.
Found in where location?
Midbrain.
Another kind of hormone which are also found in the median midbrain. Could you tell me the name?
Is relaxing.
Relaxing hormone. So which kind of relaxing hormone? So it is the median. We can say it is a. I want to know the name of the hormone.
It's the hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus is what? Hypothalamus. Great, yeah. Let's sit. Which kind of hormone are found in testes? Testosterone. You're strong. Testosterone, you know, testosterone. Function of testosterone. These hormone, testosterone are releases by male reproductive part. Function of testosterone. Electricity chapter, physics. Which kind of hormones are found in our kidneys? Above of kidneys.
Adrenaline.
Function of adrenaline gland. Adrenaline Hormones function. क्या function करता है kidneys में? Which kind of function are performed?
So, regulation of blood pressure, HbA1c, carbohydrates, and metabolism.
Shruti. Next question. Sit, bacha, you sit. What is hypothalamus? Gland. Releases, secrete. Which kind of hormone they are secrete?
Relaxing.
Found in where?
Okay.
Function. Stimulus. Function of stimulus and regulates what? Function of stimulus.
Stimulus. So, hypothalamus. Stimulus pituitary gland to release hormones.
To release hormone. Once again. What are you preparing? Sit. What do you prepare? This is the concept of the mind. Thought is not hardly matter. In thought, which kind of gland are found? Thyroxine. Function of thyroxine gland. Why? Why not preparing? This only chart is there. I think not 10 kind of hormone. How many kinds? 7. What do you prepare, bacha? Very bad. You know, my dear, this is your board examination. Why not prepare it? Is there any kind of emergency in your home? Any kind of work do right now? How you are going your exam, my dear? Nobody help you. Nobody help you. Yes or no? Nobody help you. किसी पढ़ाई कर रहा है गधा? इतनी मेहनत से सब याद करा कर भेजते हैं, फंक्शन याद नहीं, एग्जाम में क्या करोगे? हाँ, चार्ट याद नहीं है आपको, कैसी पढ़ाई कर रहा है? क्यों कर रहा है घर पे? क्या कर रहा है घर पे फिर? रिवीजन क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? If there is a pain in your throat, I understand. So you are just read it, my dear. You're not able to respond the answer. It is not acceptable. Sit. Division sign, same number. Applying the questions. I am not focusing on explanation, Shruti. What is my intention? Explanation plus right learning in the class. Also done, my dear. There is no more days for board exam, yaar. Today is what? How much date today? I think 9. 7th of October. In this month your exam? Half yearly? Next month. From which date? तुम इतना स्लो लिखोगे ना बच्चा. Listen to me. Look at my eyes. If you're writing like that, listen. Tomorrow exam, you are forgotten, my dear, more than 5 plus questions. Not focusing on writing, focusing on the my dear targeting. कि how many questions you are done in the my dear within 1 hour in the coaching classes, my dear. Teacher not impressed for the writing. Teacher impressing, you are just in less time you are solving more questions, my dear. Yes or no? इधर देखो बेटा, सारे बच्चे इधर देखो. हमें अच्छा काम नहीं करना है, हमें सही काम करना है. सही काम मतलब क्या? फ्रेंड्स की मदद करनी नहीं. नो बडी एनी वन माइड नॉट हेल्पिंग योर फ्रेंड्स ड्यूरिंग एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, ऑलवेज कीप फोकसिंग ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन. योर वॉट एवर यू आर लर्निंग यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट वेल. आपको इस पर फोकस करना है, भलाई नहीं करनी है, सही काम करना है. अच्छा काम क्या होता है? दूसरों की मदद करना. और आप मदद कब कर रहे हो? ड्यूरिंग एग्जामिनेशन. खुदा ना खास तो माय डियर, समटाइम्स माय डियर टीचर्स लोग ना माय डियर छोटी सी बात को माय डियर मेक्स माय बहुत बड़ी बड़ी इश्यूज दे आर क्रिएट कर देते हैं. प्लीज बी वरीड अबाउट इट. देखो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वर्ड्स आर मेड अप ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस सिटी. इलेक्ट्रॉन, electric means what? Electron. It is a physics chapter, very important. Personally I love this chapter, physics chapter. हिंदी में भौतिकी. Physics. Electrons, electricity comes from electron. City means what? City means static. City means flow. The meaning of this chapter, wonderful chapter, is electricity. Electricity is what? Electricity. What electricity? Electricity are made up of two different words, which is electrics comes from electrons, city comes from flow. In this electricity word, there is flow of what? Flow of electron. Somebody told you are a science student. Okay, answer my question. What is electricity? So clear, straightforward answer. Flow of electron. Flow of what is electron flow? This is an electron. This is an electron. They are flow in my dear in specific direction, my dear. Always they are follow my dear unidirectional. Unidirectional. That means what? They are always flow in my dear what? Always flow in one direction. Always flow in what? One direction. Electron ऐसे कहीं भी they are moving away somewhere, कहीं भी flow हो जाएगा. No, there is a specific direction. Sun always in a specific direction for rising. Same thing are implies in the electron are always moving my dear in the uni. Okay.
Sir, we
dream, believe, achieve. Today is I am the I can. कब करोगे I can do it? कब करोगे I can do it? वो जो सबसे आपका प्रीशियस टाइम है वो अभी चल रहा है, इसमें ही आपको नरिश करो. ओके, बोलो आई कैन डू इट. नेवर गिव अप. आई कैन नेवर. गॉड इज ऑलवेज. नो पेन. आई एम रेडी फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग द चैलेंज. Who challenged you? Your habits challenge you, my dear. Okay, you are the leaders of your problems, my dear. Problem is not a leader of your problems. Yes or no? मैं राम जी, कृष्ण जी, भोले बाबा का वंशज हूँ. मैं सर्वशक्तिमान हूँ. मेरा जन्म इतिहास रचने के लिए हुआ है. बीते हुए कल से मैं अपने आप को आगे ले जाने के लिए तैयार हूं, क्योंकि आई एम अ विनर. मैं या तो जीतता हूं या तो सीखता हूं, हारता कभी नहीं हूं. कभी नहीं. It is very difficult of those person, my dear, which are moving forward with, my dear, so much barriers. उसको हराना बहुत मुश्किल है. See, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन है, किस डायरेक्शन में हमेशा जाएगा? एक स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन. हमेशा ये बात आपको ऑलवेज रिमेंबर रखनी क्लास 12 तक. You have to remember this concept. Electron always moving unit direction. Okay. So we can say, what is electricity? So electricity एक करोड़ की लाइन में, 1 करोड़ की लाइन. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी flow of charge or flow of electron is called electricity. Getting? Electricity. Read the definition.
Flow of charge or flow of electrons is called electricity.
Loudly.
Flow of charge or flow of electrons is called electricity.
पूछो what is electron? What is? So बोले electron are discovered by scientist. Name is J.J. थॉमसन. ओके, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन का आविष्कार जो बहुत क्यूट सा है, बहुत प्यारा सा है. These electron are recognized by the scientist name is what? These will be recognized by J.J. Thomson. Okay, so what exactly flowing? What absolutely flowing in the current? Inside the current. Current कहीं flow हो रहा है. Right now there is a different appliances are running in the class. So these appliances are working and running just because of only current. No, the physics behind these appliances, my dear, flow of charge. Flow of electron or flow of charge. Getting, so flow of energy also. Well, current is also form of energy. Phone requires what? We are charging again and again, my dear. Yes or no? So we are just feeded, my dear. What? We are just feeded, my dear, electrons inside the battery, because is there is what? Is there is, let's consider this is the battery. So battery requires what? Battery requires what? Charges. Sir, charge? Charge? Sir, charge? Sir, charge! Oh God! It is a property of atom. Okay, mention the heading first. It is the presence of flow of charge. Yes. Another definition of charge. Okay. In chapter 4, any queries, Manvi Bacha? It's not. Sitting perfectly, but put your bag in the other side. Sitting perfectly. Perfect? It is the presence of charge. Okay. It is the presence of charge. Loudly with me. It is a very simple in my day. In Hindi we can discuss, okay? Do it fast, bacha. Both are very slow. Move it. Do it fast, bacha. See. Someone not consider. This is the J.J. Thompson. Okay. Listen. The what is electricity? Guruji, what is electricity? What is electricity?
Flow of charge equal flow of electrons equal.
Wonderful. Who discovered electron in the universe? J.J. Thompson. Flow of current is always, flow of current now. Flow of charge is always in which direction? Unidirection. Okay. Another definition, another perspective. It is the presence of charge. चार्ज की मौजूदगी ही, किसकी मौजूदगी? चार्ज की उपस्थिति क्या है श्रुति? गणेश क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है. चार्ज का उपस्थित होने क्या है? You can show the current. You can experience the current. Current is not visible. Effect is visible. Appliance is visible. Right now running is fan, running the light, running the tube light. Okay. Sometimes sound of the vehicles. So these all are not current. These are influenced by the current. These are influenced by the current. This is not a current. It is actually are running because of electricity. Electricity, my dear, we can say electricity is what? Electricity is the एनर्जी, ऊर्जा। ये क्या है? एक ऊर्जा जो सारे यंत्रों को क्या कर रही है? प्रकाशित कर रही है, चला रही है। यस और नो? जिससे हम सब में कॉमन क्या शक्ति? आपस सब में कॉमन चीज बताओ क्या? Which kind of one? हम सब में common है ये वाले। There's one thing is common, my dear. One thing is very common for all human beings, all religion, all. Body level. We don't talk about body level. We talks about, my dear, inside the body levels. One thing is very common. We not talks about the parts of the sir, fingers. Okay, sir, nails. One thing is very common, which are associated in the form of energy, my dear. Soul. Yes or no? Soul is important. Soul, like, my dear boy, it gives you energy. If your body is perfectly very good looking, my dear, if soul is escaped from your body, away from your body, so तो वही बात होगी, बड़ा सुंदर हष्ट-पुष्ट शरीर, my dear, perfectly all right. और आपके अंदर से क्या निकाल ली? ऊर्जा निकाल ली आपके अंदर से, आप खोखले के खोखले। Yes or no? So same thing, my dear. If appliance is very good looking, if appliance is very shiny surface, newly you are buying something from the market, my dear, if they are not working, my dear, so it is, my dear, what? It is meaningless, because all the appliances are running because of energy. Electron means energy. Electron means ऊर्जा। हमारे कौन सी ऊर्जा है? हम in the form of, my dear, what? Soul. Yes or no? Soul. Yes or no? Presence of charge is called electricity. In any confusion in these definitions? Electricity, energy, all the things. How many appliances, my dear? My dear, infinite appliances are running in the universe, my dear. All the appliances are running just because of energy. Which kind of energy? Electron flow. It is not visualized, my dear, but it is an experience. Okay, you can practically experience putting your fingers, my dear, inside it, my dear. You can experience, my dear, the jerk of the current, my dear. Yes or no? So some things in the universe, my dear, it is only an experience, my dear. You cannot visualize it. Okay? Whatever we can write in Hindi, my dear, you can also write the while you are writing the it, so you can also mention it in your copy, okay, in Hindi also. Next, Manvi, done? Okay, you can revise the summary of each chapter, because exercises are comes from the an exercise learn it. Oh, listen, exercise learn it. Vivek, do it fast. Are the result declared? Tomorrow. Marks? No. Suspense, suspense. You have fear, and which kind of vibes are in your mind? No fear. Fear, sir, I am fearless person.
ये वेयर लिखा है बैंड लिखा है
WHER. This is my handwritten notes, my dear. Okay, easily understanding for. What is square root? Square root of 289. Manvi, square root of 289. Predict it. 13, 18, 17, 14. 13, 18, 17, 14. 13, 18, 17, 14. 7, 7 is 49. Great. See. Charge. Okay, charge. There is a different meanings of charge. Charge means yes or no. Do it fast. Yes. Shut the gate first. Your score in maths, score in science, recently in exam, out of 75. Highest score. Highest score in science in your section. Don't know. Shruti, who are active in science in your section? You? You respond to answer.
Yes, sir.
Listen, my dear. In there is an IAS examination. There is a very simple question asked, my dear. What is science? Science. What is science? So what is science? विज्ञान क्या है? What is विज्ञान? विज्ञान को परिभाषित करिए. Science define the science. Science is relatable to our health, substance, okay, chemicals, substance, chemicals, plus the appliances which are running in our surroundings, my dear. Science relatable to the our health, substance and appliances which we are using and perform regular tasks, my dear. We are performing regular tasks, my dear. What you do in the morning first? You wake up the morning, my dear. So what you do? You will take definitely boiled water. Otherwise, कुछ लोग लेते भी नहीं भी लेते हैं, my dear. जो health conscious they are easily consume करते हैं. So science is all about medical. Science is relatable to health, infrastructure, chemicals, etc. Simple. Science is relatable to health, infrastructure, chemicals, etc. If you know more about the science, you can add more of the things, my dear. Okay. Charge it is a very small thing, my dear. Charge एक बहुत छोटी चीज है जो फिजिक्स में हम अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. Charge is very small, my dear. Charge is very small. Charge like we can say the piece of what? Piece of matter what? Sugar crystal. एक sugar का crystal matter like. So charge is very small. I am giving you, my dear, overview. So this is an, my dear, this is an करंट स्विच ऑन करा, so current are flow in what? Positive direction to current are flow from this point. Current are flow slowly in this point, and they are moving in upward direction. Because these bulbs are connected in my dear what? These bulbs are connected in my dear what? In series. So these bulbs are start glowing. Start glowing. How these bulbs are run? Because of electricity. Electricity. Is there is a what? Electricity. So there is my dear what? Small amount of, there is a small numbers of what? There is a my dear number of what? Electron is there. In the battery, there is an electron. This is in my dear battery. This is in a cell. Okay. In this cell, my dear, there is two end, positive and a negative end. There is a two charges, my dear. Go loudly with positive and negative. Each and every cell have, my dear, electron. Each and every cell have an electron. Sir, why these electron is not running? Because whenever we are join this battery or cell to any appliances, like you are joining in, you are joining with fan. You are joining with fan, okay? आपने फैन से कनेक्ट कर दिया, yes or no? So these fan are what? These fan are start running. This is what? This is electron. This is what, beta? Electron. So whenever we are connect any appliances to the my dear cell or battery, so our appliances is running. Our appliances is, बच्चे यहाँ देखो ध्यान से. Our appliances is what? Running. Let me glorify once again. This is what? Small. This is an electron. Electron are flowing in what? In a specific direction. Yes or no? इस इलेक्ट्रॉन ने, this electron current switch on करा, so what? Electrons are flowing in this direction, my dear. Okay? Electrons are flowing in this direction. ये vibrate होने लग गया, my dear. These electrons are vibration के कारण ये every power they are shifting their, my dear, resistance to the another kind of electron. इसने अपनी power किसको transmit करी, इसको ये भी transmit होने लगा, vibration होने लगा. They are also transferring their power to someone. तो ऐसे पावर ट्रांसमिट होती जाती है और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करते हैं, मैटर की स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होने लग जाती है. यस और नो? सो इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. This is in what? Charge. This is in charge. So which are greater? Electron is greater, charge is greater. Electron is greater. Electron is greater. Electron is larger than the charge. Why, sir? Prove it. You see. Bro, charge, property of atom. According to all of you, which is greater? Charge is greater, atom is greater. Charge greater, atom greater, electron greater. Electron is greater. Very nice. Next, second largest, charge. Third, परमाणु, जिसे हम परमाणु बोलते हैं. तो परमाणु, atoms is a unit of what? Property of what? Charge. Atom किसकी property है? Alright. So आपके what is your father property? आपके father की property क्या है? आप हो. आपके father की property कौन है? आप हो. ये sir, my father have 10 acres of field, and this is or mention my name, and my sister name is 8 acres of field which we are growing in the mangoes trees here. So it is property of my father. It is not a proper property means what? Good. तो charge की property क्या है? What? Atom is a property of charge. Getting? Next. See. See. Next. बोलो. Loudly. Charge. It is a property of atom. Next. Charge is always exists in two ways, positive and negative. Okay, you look around, my dear. So there is, my dear, you can show the battery, you can show the cell, my dear. There have two terminals, positive and negative terminal. Yes or no? This is very important point for, my dear, your one word plus all exam, my dear, all exams. See, like charge repel each other, unlike charge attract each other. What is meaning of it? Somebody know meaning of like and unlike charge? Like, what is like charge? Positive charge. What is unlike charge? Negative charge. Like charge means positive, positive. This is like charge. Like means same. Like means same charge. Unlike charge means what? Positive or negative. Yes or no? आग को बुझाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Which we are using to, my dear, resist the fire? Which we are using? Water we are using. Opposite है उसका? Practically, see over here. This is a whiteboard. We are using which kind of ink? Yes or no? So why we are using white? Why we are not using white ink? White ink? Yes, it is not visible. The same thing. Positive energy, negative energy. So positive energy, negative energy attract each other. Yes or no? Like charges repel each other. दूर. Yes or no? So repel, which kind of charge are repel? Negative are not repel each other. Yes or no? Positive are repel each other. Repel, what is the meaning of repel? Repel means what? वो आपस में एक दूसरे से मानिए दूर जाएंगे. They are maintain the distance between them. All right? Getting? Why always men have two poles, North Pole and South Pole? Why? Why magnet have always two poles, North Pole and South Pole? Because Earth is also acts as a magnet. So North Pole attract the South Pole of the magnet, and North Pole attract the North Pole of the magnet. Okay? South attract North Pole, and North attract South Pole. उल्टा बोल दिया क्या हमने? South attract North Pole. Here, North attracts South Pole. देखो ऐसे समझो इसे, वेरी सिंपल है. पॉजिटिव रिपेल इट ईच अदर. ओके, यस और नो? आप ऐसे समझो, ये मेल है, फीमेल है. शादी किसकी होती है? मेल फीमेल की. मेल की आंसर सब पॉसिबल. फीमेल की. यस और नो? पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव मींस व्हाट? पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, नेगेटिव एनर्जी. पॉजिटिव चार्ज, नेगेटिव charge attract each other, my dear. Okay, there is only two combination. Look the things around you. पास या फेल, सही या दूर और बुरा और रात और भलाई और ईमानदार और बेईमान. What do you say? गंदा नहीं, ईमानदार बेईमान. So सुबह और शाम. Getting ठंडा और गरम. So positive or negative are both are, my dear, attract each other. These are two charges, my dear. Like charge means what? Same charge. Like charge, like for all statement. Like charge, same charge. Like charge, same charge. Like charge, same charge. Like charge, same charge. Unlike charge, different. Unlike charge, unlike charge, different. Okay. Charge concept given by the scientist, name is Coulomb. Charge concept has been given by the scientist, name is what? Coulomb. चार्ज इज वेरी स्मॉल यूनिट बच्चा. हम इसकी बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये तो हमें दिखाई भी नहीं देता माय डियर, बट इंपॉर्टेंस है. यस और नो? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन listen, the next point is what? The SI unit of Coulomb is what? The SI unit of charge. SI unit of charge, बच्चे इसको चार्ज लिख लेना बेटा ना. That is what charge. Lovely with me. SI unit of charge is called Coulomb. Why sir SI unit is Coulomb? Coulomb is the name. Yes. Who discovered, my dear, the SI unit? Who studied these charges and negative and positive kind of charges? And who justify all these, my dear, points highlighted, my dear? The name of the scientist Coulomb. Okay? Understand, my dear? Who discovered Coulomb? Who discovered charge? Coulomb. Who discovered electron? Who discovered neutron? Who discovered proton? James Rutherford. See, E stands for electron, P electron, proton, and EP, and what? Electron, proton, neutron. Okay, small n, sir. Neutron, proton, electron. Okay, which is the main, my dear? The electron is very main of it. Okay, so these are the charges. These are the fundamental things are discovered by, my dear, the different scientists, my dear. हर एक चीज, my dear, each and everything, my dear, around you, appliances, we talks about appliances. उसमें तीन चीज मुख्यतः फीडर है. All these, my dear, appliances, any appliances, वर्ल्ड का कोई भी appliance ले आओ आप, any kind of appliances, electron is there, proton is there, neutron is there. If electron is not there, so current flow is not possible, my dear. Current flow is what? Flow of charge, flow of energy, flow of electron. इतनी शानदार डेफिनेशन है. कुछ एक भूल गए तो दूसरा लिख कर आ जाना. Flow of electron, flow of charge, flow of energy, flow of electron. Yes or no, beta? Getting? Next, what one electron is minus 1 into 1.6 minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 Coulomb. एक charge. There is a how many hundreds is there? 19. That's the reason if you experience the, my dear, current shock, my dear, once, twice, thrice times, so you can experience, my dear, your whole body are my dear, penetrated, my dear. Your whole body are, my dear, is in vibration mode. Why? Because one electron have how many charges? 10 to the power 19. 10 to the power 19 means what? 0 how many times? 19 times. Yes or no? So that's the reason बोलते हैं. हाँ बेटा मूव करिए आप. Revision examination, okay? Written exam. Listen. That's the reason एक गाना चला था. It is a very famous. लगे 440 वॉट. ठीक है? छूने से किसको? Appliance को. Yes or no? So how many charges are comes into the body, my dear? So ये सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का है. 400 वोल्ट समझते हो? 400 वोल्ट, 400 वोल्ट का मतलब ये होता है, 400 वोल्ट मीनिंग इज व्हाट, 4 डीजे, 4 डीजे की व्हीकल्स, 4 डीजे 4 डीजे की व्हीकल्स रन हो सकते हैं माय डियर, यस और नो? सो वन, इफ यू आर प्रैक्टिकली एक्सपीरियंस द शॉक माय डियर, तो आपकी बॉडी में हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाते हैं? तो माय डियर देयर इज अनकाउंटेबल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर मूविंग माय डियर, तभी तो पूरा झन्ना जाता है, यस और नो? Yes or no? There is some movie, my dear. In the last scene, there is, my dear, all the participants are moving towards the shocking, my dear. There is a movie. You see that movie? No. Practical experience, my dear, shocking. Here. So how many charges, my dear? एक charges में इतने होते हैं एक इलेक्ट्रॉन में. सोचिए जब हमें करंट लगता होगा कितने सारे चार्जेस जाते होंगे हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, यस और नो? गेटिंग? लगे 440 वोल्ट छूने से तुझे, चलिए 440 वोल्ट में तो मर ही जाएगा इंसान, यस और नो? नेक्स्ट, do you hear the news of Chhindwara? Most of the max to maximum students are consuming the cough syrup. Cough syrup they are consuming, my dear. They are expiry cough syrup they are eating, my dear. So there more than 19 of students are, my dear, kidney failure, death. See over the next point. Number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge equals to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. एक coulomb charge में there how many electrons? 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. 10 की पावर कितनी है? 18 है. कितनी है? How many is? 0 कितने आएंगे? 18. और करंट में, करंट जनरली क्या होता है माइटर? 1 एम्पियर, 1 एम्पियर, 2 एम्पियर. There is a bulb. How many watt का ये बल्ब है? तो ये हैगा माइटर हमारा 9 वाट, 18 वाट का. और ये हमारी देयर इज अ ट्यूबलाइट हाउ मेनी वॉट्स, ये है कि हमारी 9 वाट की, ये 18 वाट का बढ़ाएगा, यस और नो? सो डू यू नो माय डियर व्हिच काइंड ऑफ करंट आर फ्लोइंग माय डियर? ओके, तो हमारी बॉडी रेजिस्ट कर लेती है सम काइंड ऑफ करंट माय डियर, बट हाई वोल्टेज करंट माय डियर, सो देयर इज अ माय डियर वी नेवर एबल टू माय डियर रेजिस्ट इट माय डियर, वी आर जस्ट माय डियर ऑन द स्पॉट, वी आर very critical, my dear, मतलब it is very difficult to. So number of electron in 1 coulomb of charge. एक coulomb charge में how many numbers of electron? बोलो loudly with me. 1 electron. Close your eyes. 1 electron.
1 electron.
You imagine, just imagine the number of whatever I said. 1 electron equals 1 electron equals minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. 1 electron equals to 1 coulomb charge equals to 1 coulomb charge 6.25 into 10 raised to the power 18. 1 electron equals 1.6 minus 1.6. 1 electron equals minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. 1 coulomb charge equals 6.25 10 raised to the power 18. 6.25 1 coulomb charge into 10 raised to the power 18. 1 electron minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 19 coulomb. Open your beautiful eyes. Yes. Okay. Shruti first. Respond. 1 coulomb charge. Coulomb है ना? All right.
6.25 into 10 raised to the power 8.
Next, one electron.
1 electron equals to minus 1 upon 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 9.
Sit. What is like and unlike charge?
Like charge,
Stand up, बच्चे. This is the manners, बेटा.
like charge is a same plus plus.
Positive, positive, negative, negative. Very good, बेटा. Next,
Positive, negative.
unlike charge.
Unlike charge, like positive and negative. Plus minus.
Okay. Why always plus a negative? Unlike charge, positive and negative. Because it will make balance. It will make balance. Positive, positive. So it will never matter. Yes or no? Next, what is one charge? One charge equals to
One charge equal to call
how many coulombs?
sir I can understand.
1 coulomb charge equals to
6.25 into 10 to power 8
look at here. Next, 1 electron equals to
minus 1.6 into 10 to power minus 9.
set. Wonderful. Is it? This is an electron. This is an charge. Okay, and this is an what? This is an atom. Atom means parmanu. Is what? Who discovered atoms? Maharshi Kannad, Indian scientist. There is a question or it comes arise in mind. Why always positive and negative charge in the my dear all electric appliances? All electric appliances. Why always positive and negative charge? Because it make balance. Yes or no? So whenever let's suppose in two person there is a too much my dear anger and they are fighting each other my dear. So what the third person that point of time do? What they do? If they are a good person, so they are my dear rise the my dear anger, rise the fighting my dear and my dear reduce the my dear of it. How they reduce it? They are asked my dear, forget it my dear, forget it my dear. Okay, okay, चलो कोई बात नहीं कोई बात. So they are gives very positive instructions my dear. वो negative environment है. लड़ाई में positive environment. बहुत अच्छी. क्या लड़ा यार तुमने यार मजा. Yes sir. एक सर थोड़ा सा कम फोड़ा तो.
सर नेगेटिव भी देते सर
क्या बेटा?
नेगेटिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी देते हैं.
Yes, yes, yes. Also telling the negative instructions, my dear friends. Look, there is also my question is, my dear, there is some positive, some क्या we are applying what? Negative we are applying. Yes, sir. Electricity are of two types. Electricity, there are two types. How many electrons are pravesh in the body during shocking? How many electrons? 1 electron is equals to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 90. If let's suppose 10 electrons, my dear, are in your contact matter. Okay? You have in, my dear, each and every in, my dear, have an cooler, okay, electric cooler, praise, iron. So you can practically, not practically, I am just making my dear fun, okay. So you can practically understand. Something is, my dear, art practical experience, yes or no? But it is a risk, it is a dangerous, all right. Some students are psycho, so they are putting their themselves and their mother comes. What they do? I am just practical experience the shocking. Okay. Static electricity and current electricity. Okay. Great. Awesome. Sure. Next question. Next chapter will be started.
Sir, I am studied and sir, one question, sir, I am from.
मैं कुछ भूल गया हूँ. इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे श्रुति गणेश? How? मैं कुछ भूल जाऊंगा.
I will follow.
मैं कुछ भूल चुका हूँ.
I will follow.
मुझे बहुत दर्द है. जैसे आपको पेन है यहाँ पे, मुझे बहुत दर्द है. बहुत दर्द है, बहुत. I have an too much pain. Extreme pain. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Sir, I am, yes. Not extremely. Extremely are using in the हमारे negative. I am immense happy. क्या बोलेंगे? Immense. Sir, कितनी देर चलेगा सेशन? Studying English medium from the childhood days, from the LKGs. Yours? ठप्पा
How
लगा.
much the session time?
You not correct. सर कितना सेशन, अभी कितने घंटे सेशन चलेगा? अभी कितना सेशन चलेगा? अभी कितना पढ़ाओगे? कितना गंदा लगता है पढ़ाओगे, इसलिए इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहिए. कुछ बातें ना, माय डियर, समथिंग इंग्लिश में बोलते ना बहुत इजीली से डिलीवर हो जाता है, बट हिंदी में इट इज नॉट, माय डियर, वो थोड़ा. यस. हाँ,
How we are covering?
अभी कितना चलेगा? सिंपल यार, करेक्ट इट. हाउ लॉन्ग सेशन इट इज, और कितना चलेगा? हाउ मच लॉन्ग. ओके सर, आपने जानबूझकर मारा. सर, आपने मुझे जानबूझकर डांटा. Static charge. What is static charge? Sir, you are deliberately anger me. You are deliberately मारने को what? Beating. मारने को what? Beating. Getting? See over here. Static charge is what? Static means what? रुका हुआ. Stopping charge. रुका हुआ charge. Okay? Like ऐसे करो. Fast. So what do you experience, my dear? There is a too much, my dear. Hotness is produced, my dear. Heat is released from your for your pumps. So see over here, static charge are those charge. This charge is not, whatever the charge we are, my dear, we are produced from our pumps. So it will not produce, my dear, what? It is not running fan. It is not running. It is not running appliances. These are also charged. These are also charged. But it is not running. Static charge means what? There is somebody here, resist charge. It is a stoppable charge. Sir, another example. Another example will be whenever we are putting the scale on your hairs, my dear, and applying on dust particles. So they are attract some dust particles on the surface of it. So our hair is having also charges, but is not, my dear, under the electricity. So this is a static charge. Do you know, my dear, during the heavy rainfall, it is a, my dear, trend ki we are not moving forward until or unless there is a very heavy rainfall is there और बहुत ज़्यादा बिजली चमकी, so we are not moving forward. में चलना नहीं चाहिए, हमें रुक जाना चाहिए कि बिजली आए तो आग फाड़ के बाहर छत पे चलाना चाहिए. कहाँ है? Yes or no? So whenever हम जब running करते हैं, listen, whenever we are running, so our feet are also produce what? Also produce charge. Our feet are also produce what? Charges. Getting, my dears? So this charge is static. It is not able to running, my dear, any appliances around you. Any kind of devices is not running. So we are using what kind of electricity? Current electricity. In current electricity, there is what? There is electron. In electron are what? Electron are flow. Electron are flow. Yes or no? In current electricity, we are using different kinds of appliances, like we are using ACs, we are using, my dear, TV, fan, bulb, geyser, we are using refrigerator. All these appliances are running just because of current electricity. Sir, static electricity producing, my dear, fire. Is producing what? Fire. Okay, rubbing the two stones, my dear, each other. You can easily, my dear, practically explain. Static charge produce, my dear, heat also. Only heat they are producing, not producing what? Electricity. Okay, is it possible, my dear? If it is possible, so we are just generating the charges and, my dear, glowing, running a fan, running a bulb, running a vehicle, electric vehicle in the market right now. Yes or no, should think there is a very good thing, but there is a, but unfortunately we don't having using the static charge for running any kind of vehicles. So the static charge means what? Static charge. Some people have static mind, my dear. They might be stuck totally. They never respond something, my dear. If you ask any question. Some students are very fluent, so it is like a current. उसमें current ज़्यादा है, my dear. Knowledge, they are acquiring knowledge. Yes or no? Charge. And T stands for what? Time. Loudly with me. Close your eyes. I is equals to Q upon T. I is equals to capital I is equals to Q upon T. Current formula will be I is equals to Q upon T. SI unit ऐसे SI यूनिट, SI यूनिट is ampere. Current is always measured in form of ampere. Current will always measure ampere. Current unit ampere. Current unit ampere. Next, open your eyes. So what? Current is equals to what? Charge upon time. Current. Your mother said what? Ammeter. It will involve. There is a combination, series combination. There is a combination, series combination and parallel combination. Speaker. इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता आप खड़े हो गए, हम और ऐसे कर रहे थे, आप इसके ऊपर खड़े हो गए, तो फिर गेटिंग ना।